How to get the new iPhone update. Apple releases new updates regularly, which bring new features, bug fixes, and security improvements. So let's get started with the steps to update your iPhone. Before you begin the update process, make sure your iPhone is compatible with the latest update. You can check this by going to Apple website and looking for the list of devices that are compatible with the latest update. Before updating your iPhone, it's always a good idea to back up your device. This will ensure that your data is safe in case anything goes wrong during the update process. You can back up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes. To download and install the latest update, you'll need to connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network and a power source. This will ensure that your device has a stable internet connection and enough power to complete the update process. To check for updates, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. From there, tap on Software Update. If a new update is available, you'll see a notification prompting you to download and install it. If a new update is available, tap on the Download and Install button to start the download process. Once the download is complete, tap on the Install Now button to start the installation process. Your iPhone will restart during this process, so make sure you don't interrupt it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.